What's good, Wagwan? My name is Minchilu and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, shout out to you. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're talking all about lighting for your videos. How can we improve our video quality by improving our lighting? And that's what I want to talk about today. If you've watched any of my videos in the past, you know that I sometimes have some problem with my lighting situation. So I wanted to find a way that I could improve my lighting and make my videos just look a little bit better. Now, if this is something that you've been struggling with or something that you've been thinking about doing recently, I think this is the video for you. But of course, before we get into it, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video, you're already here, and let's get started. So today our main focus is going to be unboxing and reviewing the Mountdog SOFTBOX lighting kit photography studio light. I'll have it somewhere on the screen, and I'll also have the links down below, so if you want, you can actually go ahead and check it out yourself. I'm actually using it right now. Could you tell? Could you tell? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and talk more about it during the video, so let's go. I actually love it so far. Of course, I'm still getting used to it. This is my first time using it, so obviously as I continue to use it, I'll find the best position and the best way to set it up and angle and all that stuff. So this is kind of like a first look just to see what my first thoughts are, what your first thoughts are, because you're going to be seeing this as I see it as well, and we're just going to go ahead and figure this out together. So if that's something you're interested in watching, keep on watching this video and let's go. So let me go ahead and show you guys what my setup usually looks like. I'm sitting directly in front of a window, so I'm getting direct sunlight from this angle, and then my ring light is on my opposite side, so I'm getting light from here as well. However, I'm sure you can see some shadows behind me as well, so even though the lighting, it probably looks good, it's not the best. So for most of my videos in the past, I usually use direct sunlight, or I use a ring light if I'm recording late at night. Now, sunlight to me is one of the best sources of light for recording or taking pictures. It just makes your videos and your pictures look spectacular. However, sunlight varies depending on the time you are recording. Now, you might start recording when the sun is up and everything is nice and looks perfect, and you record for some time and then it's getting dark, it's getting cloudy, the sun is moving, it's changing position, and that is going to affect the lighting of your video, which is very annoying because you start off with a video looking really nice, and when you reach into the middle of your video, it's dark, the lighting isn't good, it starts to look blurry. So recording with sunlight, even though it's very nice, it has a very nice look on your video, it's not very dependable. It's gonna change and your video is gonna be all over the place, which is going to be a pain in the butt if you're somebody who color grades your video or somebody who adds LUTs to your video, meaning basically adding filters to your video, or if you play around with your colors. If you color grade your video, you know you have a specific LUT or a specific effect that you add to your videos for your customized look. However, when you add your LUT or you color grade your video, one part is going to look completely different than the other part because the lighting situations and the variations are so different because of the sunlight. So sunlight is good, but it is not dependable. It changes constantly during your recording process, which can be very frustrating. Now, when it comes to the ring light as well, I've seen people who use only a ring light and their videos look superb. However, that has not been the case for me. I've used ring lights in previous videos. They look okay. However, you can clearly see it's dark. I have shadows on my face. There's shadows behind me. And it's just not a very pristine look. And it's good if when you're starting out, but you know, we always want to constantly upgrade and make our videos or whatever we're doing just go to that next step. So I'm using the ring light on this side as well. So what's recommended is for you to have multiple light sources, because light sources are what is going to eliminate any shadows. So if you have a light source right here, shadows are going to fall on this side. However, if you have a light source on this side, you kind of eliminate the shadows on this side as well, if you get what I'm saying. So light sources basically are going to eliminate any shadows that you have around you, in your background, stuff like that. So there's usually a key light, you usually have your second light source, all of that. So I started researching about ways I can make my video lighting better to increase or improve my video quality, and this is when I came across softboxes. Now I knew what softboxes were before, you know, I know people use them for photo shoots, and to me they were just always, you know, what, you know, professionals use. So I started looking into some videos and I've seen that a softbox can really improve the quality of your video. I went through many softbox options on Amazon. There are tons. You can look up reviews on YouTube, see what they suggest, what are the best ones, what might fit what you're looking for. For me, I had three main categories that I wanted. One, I wanted something that came with a bulb that I'm able to control, meaning not just on and off. I wanted something that I can increase or decrease the intensity. The next thing I wanted something that only came with one. So that's the thing. So most kits come with two softbox, which is great. And actually, if I were you, I would go for something that came with two. I wanted one because, again, I am in this small space. I just want one. I already have the ring light to act as my second source of light. I'll use the softbox as my first source of light. I don't need another one. Okay guys, so here we have the softbox. This is the box it came in. So let's open up to see what we have inside. This is what the stuff looks like on the inside. So I'm guessing this is the box with the bulb. This is the softbox. This is like a carrier case, I'm guessing, like a yeah, like a travel kit. And I'm guessing the tripod is inside here. So let's go ahead and open them up and see what we have. Okay, so this is the box that the bulb comes in. It was a little bit, you know, punched in right there, but I'm sure the bulb is okay. Let's see. So it does come with the remote right here. So this is the remote. We have our on button. I'm guessing this is probably to switch the modes. I'm guessing this is to turn up the intensity, turn down the intensity. These are probably some other controls. And it has 20, 50, and 100. So if you want it at 20%, 50%, or if you wanted the full intensity, they have them there. Warm, cold, and white light. All right, so this looks like it takes two AAA batteries. Get that out of the way. Now here we have the star of the show. It comes wrapped in this, and this is the bulb. Now look at this. Let's zoom out a little bit so you guys can see. This looks like business. I don't know about you, but this looks like it's up to business. So a little bit about the, what are these? There's some little things on here. Yeah, so this is a 45-watt LED bulb, and I wanted to get LED as well because LED, again, is going to be brighter. It's going to be just a better look. So I'm guessing you pop this off right here and you screw it into the socket, and there it goes. It looks pretty cool. There's a little button here. I'm not sure what that's for, but it looks legit. Okay, so here we have the light stand. They said that this light stand goes up to 8 feet. 8 feet. I'm like 5'4". Okay, so this is how far I've gotten it. I'm about 5'4", so I'm not sure if it can go taller. I don't know if this is 8 feet. I'm pretty sure the SOFTBOX probably adds that height to make it up to 8 feet. So for reference, this is how tall it is. I think it's fully extended. So this is pretty tall. So let's look at the SOFTBOX. So here's the SOFTBOX, the actual SOFTBOX. So let's see. And I know this is gonna be pretty big, so this is what it looks like coming out of the pack. So this is like a diffuser. This is gonna be your white sheet that you can put over the SOFTBOX. And then you have your actual thing here. Comes with a plug, plugs in. Let's see if I can figure out how to put this on. Ooh. Oh. So I think you just put this on top of this. So I think I put it there and then you tighten it
onto. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I put it like this and I'm just gonna tighten it onto the
that. So it's pushing, the screw is pushing against this. And alright, this needs to be tightened. So we put this back so it opens up. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, the bulb goes in here. I don't know, do you put this down first before the bulb? So now I'm gonna attempt to close this part. I think you have to like really push it down. That's where I am. Oh, there we go. Got it. This is legit. Here's the bow. We're gonna take this thing off and just screw it in. There we go. I'm gonna plug it in. Oh, and I need to get some batteries for this, so I'll be right back. So I have the plug in. Moment of truth. There's a button here to turn it on, so let's see what happens. Oh, that is bright. So just to show you guys the different modes it has. All right, so that's 20%, that's 50%, that's 100%. It's on warm, that's cold, and that's white. This is bright. I'm gonna tell you that from right now. Okay, so this is what I look like with the SOFTBOX directly on me alone. The window is still open. I'm gonna close that in a second. So I just want to see how it looks. The SOFTBOX by itself, just on, without the diffuser or anything. Okay, so this is what it looks now with the window closed and SOFTBOX, no diffuser. Okay, so this is what it looks like. SOFTBOX with the diffuser, with the light closed. The SOFTBOX is like right off to the side here. So what the diffuser is supposed to do is to not make the light so bright and so harsh, so it diffuses it a little bit. So the light isn't so harsh on your face, you know, it's not giving you all those reflections, all those glares. So let's see if it does what it does. You're seeing it, I'm not seeing it. Do you think, what are we getting here? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and that you took something away from this video. Obviously this isn't perfect. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to learn and to improve as we go along. Thank you so much for watching this video. My question to you is, if you are a photographer or you record YouTube videos or you just record videos in general, what type of lighting setup do you have? What type of lighting setup do you recommend? And you can go ahead and leave those in the comments if you think that would be helpful for anybody watching this video. We'll all appreciate it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. If you'd like to see more content by me, like and share this video with someone who you think this might be helpful to. And you can also go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want to. Okay, that's it for today. And if anyone's out there, bye.